A cabin air filter improves air quality, blocks dust and allergens, and protects HVAC performance. Today's video is about top 5 best cabin air filter that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at K&N Cabin Air Filter. This cabin air filter is an excellent upgrade for drivers who want cleaner air and long-term value. One of its biggest advantages is the increased airflow, which helps improve both heating and cooling efficiency, making the cabin more comfortable in all seasons. The odor control treatment is another standout feature. It helps reduce musty smells that can develop from dirty filters, keeping the interior feeling fresher. Unlike disposable filters that require frequent replacement, this model is washable and reusable, making it a cost-effective solution over the life of the vehicle. Installation is incredibly simple. It's pre-treated and ready to drop into the factory air box, usually taking less than 5 minutes without any tools. I also appreciate the eco-friendly design, which helps reduce landfill waste caused by disposable filters. Backed by a lifetime limited warranty, this filter delivers reliable performance, durability, and convenience. Overall, it's a smart investment for better cabin air quality, lower maintenance costs, and long-lasting performance. Now our second product is StaunchAuto Cabin Air Filter. The StaunchAuto engine and cabin air filter set is a great maintenance upgrade for compatible Honda and Acura vehicles. The filters are well made, featuring high-quality filter media and a durable ABS frame designed for long-lasting performance. I was particularly impressed by the cabin filter's activated carbon layer, which helps reduce odors and filters harmful particles for cleaner cabin air. The engine air filter also performs well, capturing dust and debris before they reach the engine, helping maintain efficient performance and cleaner airflow. Another benefit is the low-resistance design, which allows smooth airflow through the HVAC system while reducing unwanted noise. The result is a comfortable driving experience without restricted air circulation. Installation is straightforward, and replacing both filters regularly is an affordable way to protect your engine, improve air quality, and avoid costly repairs. Overall, this filter set offers excellent value, reliable filtration, and dependable performance for daily driving. Our third product is Puroma Cabin Air Filter. The Puroma Cabin Air Filter is an excellent replacement filter that delivers cleaner, fresher air inside the vehicle. Its combination of soda-woven material and activated carbon effectively captures dust, pollen, and odor-causing contaminants, creating a more comfortable environment for both drivers and passengers. I was impressed by the filtration performance. The close-mesh non-woven layer helps block fine particles from entering the cabin while maintaining strong airflow. This not only improves air quality but also helps optimize heating and air conditioning performance for year-round comfort. Installation is quick and hassle-free, taking about 10 minutes. The clearly marked airflow arrow makes it easy to install correctly, even for first-time users. The fit is precise for compatible Honda and Acura models, ensuring reliable performance. Overall, this cabin air filter offers great value with effective filtration, odor reduction, and excellent airflow. It's a simple maintenance upgrade that helps keep your vehicle's interior air cleaner and your HVAC system operating efficiently. Now number 4, EPAuto Cabin Air Filter. This cabin air filter is an excellent replacement option for a wide range of Toyota, Lexus, Subaru, Jaguar, Land Rover, Scion, and other compatible vehicles. The fit is precise, making installation quick and hassle-free while meeting OEM replacement standards. What stands out most is the combination of soda and activated carbon filtration. It effectively traps dust, pollen, and airborne contaminants while helping eliminate unpleasant odors, resulting in cleaner and fresher cabin air for both drivers and passengers. The improved filtration also supports HVAC efficiency, helping maintain strong airflow from the heating and air conditioning systems. The filter is well constructed and provides reliable performance for daily driving. Regular replacement helps keep the interior environment healthier and more comfortable while reducing strain on the ventilation system. Overall, this cabin air filter offers excellent value, broad vehicle compatibility, effective odor control, and dependable filtration performance. It's a simple maintenance upgrade that makes a noticeable difference in air quality and HVAC operation. And our last choice is Gfdhjfb Cabin Air Filter. This cabin air filter is a great replacement choice for compatible Mazda vehicles, including the Mazda 3, CX-30, and CX-50. The filter is manufactured to match OEM dimensions, ensuring a precise fit and reliable performance. One of the best features is the quick and easy installation process. It fits perfectly in the factory location and can typically be installed in just 5 to 8 minutes with minimal effort. The clearly marked airflow arrow helps ensure correct installation, even for first-time users. After installation, the filter helps maintain cleaner cabin air by trapping dust, pollen, and other airborne particles before they enter the vehicle's interior. This contributes to a more comfortable driving experience and supports efficient HVAC system operation. The recommended replacement interval of 12 months or 12,000 miles makes maintenance simple and helps keep air quality at its best year-round. Overall, this is a dependable, well-fitting cabin air filter that offers excellent value, easy installation, and reliable performance for Mazda owners. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.